So what's popping, guys? Welcome back in another video, and in today's video we've got another batch of interesting protocols that you might want to use if you want to hit the maximum criteria when it comes to the ZKSYNC airdrop. So without further ado, let's dive into it, and the first protocol we're gonna use today is the ZK AIRDROP. And of course, nothing in this video is a financial advice, so you just want to use your own due diligence on these protocols. So first, we're gonna be using the simple methods like in the previous videos. So essentially just connect your wallet and we're gonna do a simple swap. So you just want to select the amount. So I'm just gonna do 0.01 and we're gonna swap Ethereum to USDC. So click on the swap button, then confirm your transactions in your wallet. And once you've done that, we can move to another protocol, which is WAGMI. So in here, you connect your wallet and you'll need to switch from the Metis network to ZKSYNC. You just open this icon and you need to swap it to ZKSYNC AIRDROP. And we can swap now from USDC to Ethereum. It's really simple. We're doing the steps over and over again. But you just need to know what protocols you need to find it. And once you get them, once you get like certain amount of protocols you want to use, you just want to repeat these steps maybe once in a while, once in a week. So it's really up to you how many protocols you're going to find. I think that definitely you're supposed to try to at least find 25 unique contracts, because it might be one of the criteria. And also on the top of that, you're building a decent volume across your accounts. And it's better overall if you're just starting using a ton of different protocols. Because imagine if Sibyl, they pretty much use only like 3 protocols, maybe maximum 5 protocols. And you're going to be using a ton of them. So if you have like 5 accounts, you're basically stacking different contracts. So I showed you maybe plus 50 contracts already. If you're going to add additional pairs when you're swapping, for example, from Ethereum to USDT or Ethereum to wrap Bitcoin or any different pairs, you're going to be having a ton of contracts. And if you're going to interact with each platform 2 times, you're basically going to hit easily plus 100 unique contracts. The another that we have is DERP, so just do 0.01 and you can swap it to USDT to wrap Ether, or you can do any other shitcoins. I'm just going to do it to USDC, and once you're happy with that, just confirm the transaction. Next up, we have OmniSwap, so just use on-chain, or you can do it cross-chain as well. So if you want to bridge from any other network, like for example Arbitrum, you can do that. You can swap your USDC and bridge it over. Or if you're doing it like I'm doing it right now on ZKSYNC, so just use on-chain. So just select the amount that you want to send. So let's say we're gonna send USDC again to Ethereum. And you'll see also the pair and what route it uses. So right now we're gonna be using Kyber Swap. So once you pre-approve it, now you're gonna get the pop-up where you need to confirm your transaction. Next one, we have Merkley, which I like to use because it's really intuitive and really simple. So just connect your MetaMask to that website and you can mint your ONFTs. So that's basically the Omni-chain protocol interoperability. So you can mint your NFTs and you can send it somewhere else to, for example, Metis. So you want to click on the mint button and now you want to confirm the transaction. The transactions are cheap, so just confirm it. And then once your transaction will be minted, you want to click on the bridge and confirm your transactions once again. So now the next feature you want to use is the gas refuel. So imagine if you don't want to go to any exchanges, you don't want to buy Optimism Ethereum, and you just want to send your Ethereum using a certain protocol. So in this example, we can use Merkley, or the other protocol is, for example, Bungee. So we're going to be sending 0.005 Ethereum, and we're going to send that to Optimism. So once you're going to click on the preview transaction, you'll see also your fee associated with that. So I'm just going to do it and show you guys how this works. Now, once you've done that, you can go to other protocol like Symbiosis, and here just connect your wallet. And this is the cross-chain bridge as well, where you can send your assets from one network to another one. That's why we're gonna send the Ethereum from Optimism, and we're gonna send that over back to ZKSYNC. So just select ZKSYNC here, and also you can choose which assets do you want. So I'm just gonna select Ethereum. And let's say we're gonna bridge 0.004. So now we will need to switch to Optimism, and then you wanna click on the swap button. Another one that we have is MetaVault, and you can stake your assets, you can provide liquidity, you can use the bridge, and also we can swap. So just select Ethereum or USDC. So let's say we're gonna use half of that and we're gonna wrap it to wrap Ethereum. And once we've done that, we can unwrap it. So just select the max amount and click on the swap button. And last but not least, you can go to marketplace called ZK Markets. If you have any NFTs in your inventory, you can go to your assets and you can list them from there. And if you guys found this video useful, I appreciate if you hit the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below what you think about this video, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.